welcome to Pinterest affiliate marketing tutorial. In this video I'm going to share you how to earn 5,000 per month using Pinterest affiliate marketing. So Pinterest is not only a search engine, it is a visual search engine, not only a social platform which is visual search engine. So you can see these are some analytics of account which drives traffic to earn from display ads, not of affiliate. Okay, so first of all you have to create a business account on pinterest.com around any topic which you are interested in. For example, if you are interested in outdoor, you can create account related to outdoor. If you are interested in software, you can create account on software. But if you don't have any interest, we will find some low-hanging fruits and some in demand products to promote. So they may be physical or even some other like tangible products, outdoor products like kayaking, like outdoor camping, for like this. Okay, like golf products. So for that we will go to trends.google.com. Trends.google.com is a platform. Trends.pinterest.com, sorry, trends.pinterest.com is a platform where you can find top trends in United States for particular month. You can see these are particular top trends, but these are useless for earning affiliate commission. So you don't have to find don't have to choose any. Most of these are useless for earning commissions. These are just to get initial views, not okay. So type your interest on Pinterest trends, the search bar of Pinterest trends. For example, my uh, passion is about blogging. I'll be choosing blogging here. So first of all I'll choose blogging. If you can select any other country like Canada, South Europe, Italy, Spain, Germany, France, and all other countries available here, but generally I'll choose blog. Okay, and the blogging trend is declining right now, but blogging is evergreen content idea, so I can create content around blogging or affiliate marketing or make money online. So but some of good niches for Pinterest are tangible products, yeah, physical products, and personal finance and blogging, affiliate marketing. These are some interrelated or correlated topics where you can get most traction to earn from affiliate. But if you want to earn from display ads using your website, there are a bunch of opportunities right here. So what you have to do is create a business account on pinterest.com. Just go to business.pinterest.com or just type Pinterest business account right here and create a business account. Get a business account right here and then optimize that. Like, let me show you this account. This is just for inspiration. I'll be showing you this method, this website, this account. This is not for earning affiliate commissions. Just this is only for earning from display ads, driving traffic to the main website, which is db4boys.com. So you can see these are content and with good traffic. You can see all these are 2.6k, 1.5, 803 is 2.6770. Very good traffic this account is getting. So but this is not because we are going to earn through Pinterest affiliate marketing, so this is not useful for us. But this account, what he has done is very useful for us. Just tap at this saved button and create. You can see these are some boards means categories or some to categorize your content in different groups. You have to create some boards, like we create playlists on Pinterest or blog categories on blog, playlists on YouTube, sorry. So just tap at this plus button and create a board according to your niche. If you are interested in blogging, you can select blogging niche, helping people to drive more traffic, promoting blogging softwares like web hostings, VPNs, SEO tools, and different types of products relevant to this online business growth. But if you want to promote Amazon Associates account, I'll be showing you that as well. So before that you have to create account on semrush.com, because we are not only going to earn money from uh, getting traffic from Pinterest, but also from search engine like Google. You can see if I type WhatsApp DP for boys SD, you can see the first one, the first ranking website is Pinterest.com, best WhatsApp DP for boys. So we have to find some keywords around which we will create content on Pinterest. But when we rank, if you don't rank for particular keyword on Pinterest, but if we rank the particular, for example, if I rank for best web hostings for 2024 on Pinterest, on Google search, then I'll be earning some thousands of dollars with recurring commission, with potential of recurring commissions. Okay, so we have to keep in mind that we have to rank for Google as well. So at SEMrush, I'll leave the link of this at SEMrush in description of this video. So that 7 days free trial. If you don't have money to buy this, I'll recommend you to get 7 days free trial. And in these 7 days, you will be doing some keyword research, because we not only have to drive traffic from Pinterest to just affiliate product. I'll be recommending you to create your own website. So for this, for example, I'm promoting make money online. For example, I'll choose make money online. Okay, make money online, make money online, and then just tap at search button, personal finance. Okay, create a website. I want to create a website around make money online, but cheese ads are running on Google and 700k. So just type in view all keywords variations, because make money online is a is a keyword which attracts people, and unconsciously they may purchase any product to start their own business. So we will drop down this keyword difficulty to just 10. So I'll leave the best hosting link in description of this video as well, if you want to create your own website and earn money from personal finance niche or any blogging niche, or any, if you want to promote any outdoor product as well. I'll choose this very easy, keyword difficulty to very easy. And no, we have just 310 search volume, which is not how to make money online from laptop, how to make money, sorry, how to make money online in Egypt. Okay, so these are some good keywords to target, but very I'll choose this to 0 to 50, because keyword difficulty to find some large range 78k volume of keywords, and then we will write content around these. So, but if you are interested in outdoor products, what you have to do is go to amazon.com. For example, I've typed this kayak with pedals. If you want to promote kayaks, because kayaking is a very good niche to get started, I'll type here best kayaks. Okay, best kayaks, best kayaks for best kayak for beginners. You can see people are searching on Pinterest about best kayaks. You can see 15 top rated kayaks on a budget. He is earning money. For example, let me visit his website, my word sites, and I'll show you how he is earning money using this Pinterest affiliate marketing. Mywords.com, 15 best kayaks under 400 USD guide for 2022. This is affiliate best kayaks for another website, Toga Kayak. This is, let me tap at this button, and he is promoting affiliate. He is promoting as an affiliate. Okay, Pelican sitting kayak. This is another. This is another kayak. All these are affiliate websites too. He is promoting. You can see this is Amazon.com. He is promoting Amazon.com's product for this particular keyword best. So you can choose any niche, which may be Amazon, outdoor products, indoor products, like if you want to promote doorbells, laptops, chargers, mobile. But some of these, like some of these niches are very saturated right now. So outdoor niches are very popular right now, and there is very less competition as compared to some other products like software. So you can start with outdoor products. So after choosing all these keywords and after finding these keywords, so these are keywords and you have to export this from this semrush.com. And I recommend you to create account, create your own website. So check the link in the description of this video, best hostings for uh, best affordable web hosting, okay, for beginners. If you are a beginner, you can select FB. If you are intermediate, you will have another web hosting right in the description of this video. So after that, you have to create content using canva.com. Canva is a graphic designing website, and you can create content around their topic which you have selected, and then you will be earning some cash, okay. So all these you can see these, I'll be showing you some other methods, some other websites. All these people are promoting uh, kayaks on pinterest.com, and if they get 100 clicks per month, they are good to go to earn some thousands of dollars, because they are promoting uh, heavy products. In software, you don't have to promote any product of over $1,000. You just have to promote a product of $100, because you have high potential to earn recurrent affiliate commissions. So this is the beginner's guide to earn from Pinterest affiliate marketing.